Hello, everybody, and thank you for joining. Today, I wanted to show you guys how to apply for the Economic Income Disaster Loan, the EIDL loan that businesses, sole proprietors, independent contractors, self-employed persons are eligible to apply for. So the first thing that you want to do is go to sba.gov. That's the Small Business Administration.gov. When you come onto the website, at the very top, you'll see coronavirus relief options, okay? We're going to click here. Now, there is a variety of loans and resources available to small businesses as a result of the CARES Act. So you can, read the resources available to find out which ones you qualify for. But most people will qualify for the EIDL loan. So today I want to show you how to actually go through the application. Okay, so we'll come down and we're going to go to here under coronavirus funding options. All right, so what we want to apply for, and again, all of these are available to small business owners. Most people will want this 10K advance because in many cases it's going to be a grant, which means you don't have to pay it back. And so we'll go ahead and click on the EIDL loan advance. Okay, and if you want to, you can read an overview or eligibility of who is eligible to apply. But we will go here and go to apply for the advance. And then it's going to bring up this application. Now, depending on what your situation is, the questions that you choose to answer may be different. Okay, so make sure that you read the application. In this situation, I'm going to apply as if I am an independent contractor because I got a question from a client who is an independent contractor about how to do this. Okay, so choose one. So you'll choose which situation applies to you based off of your own unique situation. So for this one, I will say applicant is an individual who operates under a sole proprietorship with or without employees or as an independent contractor. So if you receive a 1099 or are an independent contractor, this is what you'll select. Okay. You also want to review and check if any of these apply to you. Not engaged in legal activity, not a principal, right? Just read it and then apply as necessary and then continue. All right, so business legal name. If you actually have a registered business with the IRS, you will put in the business legal name here. If you don't, you will just put in your name. Okay? Trade name. This is if you have an actual trade name that you're using. If you don't, just put in your name again. All right. EIN, if you have a EIN number for your business. If you want to get an EIN number, FYI, you can go to the IRS website and apply for one. If you do not have an EIN number, you'll want to use your Social Security number if you're a sole proprietor, okay? That's not a real Social Security number, by the way. The organization type, you click on it and you find the one related to you. Okay, in this situation, this will be an independent contractor. Is the applicant a nonprofit organization? No, unless you are. Is the applicant a franchise? No, unless you are. Now they're asking for the gross revenues for the 12-month prior to the date of the disaster. So they want the 12-month prior to January 31st, 2020. So we're going to be looking at your 2019 income for this particular situation. So let's just say in this particular situation, it was $51,200. Okay, you'll put that here. Cost of goods sold. If you actually sell goods, you'll put the cost of the goods sold. If you have a service and you sell a service, then you will put 0. So for this situation, this person is a service provider, so we'll put 0 here. All of this, you do not have to do it if it does not have this red star on it. So it is optional. So just read through this and do it as it applies. But again, if it does not have a star, it's optional. And so you really don't have to fill this information out. So I'm just going to disregard this because none of this applies in this situation. Then you'll want to put in your address. It cannot be a P.O. box. So what is your address? Okay. Okay, so you'll put in the city, state, and zip code. Okay. Your phone number, whatever your business phone number is. If you're an independent contractor, you can put your cell number if you have a business line. All right, you put your cell phone in if you're an independent contractor. Next, you'll want to put in your email, the email that you use when you're doing business. Okay. The date your business is established. Again, if you're an independent contractor, you'll put the date that you actually started your business. Okay. So let's say that they started last year. We'll put that. Current ownership since. If this is your own business, have you changed ownership? If you're an independent contractor, has the service you've been provided, has that changed ownership? If not, it should be the same as the date established, okay? So you'll put that in here. Business activity, okay? Whatever type of business you have, is it business services, communications? You just put whatever your industry is in here, okay? Detailed business activity, you'll put that in here. Okay, and then number of employees. If you're an independent contractor and you do not have employees, you simply put 0. Okay, and then next. Now you're going to put in the information for the owner. If you're an independent contractor, this is going to be your information. Okay, so you're going to put that in here. Right, so you just put in the information as if you're the owner, your name, your phone number. The position would be CEO, 100% if you're an independent contractor. Your birthday, you put in all the information they want, and then you continue. Okay, and now the next screen is going to ask for additional information. In the past year, has a business or owner been convicted of a criminal offense? Okay, if it's yes, put yes. If no, put no. Is the applicant or any listed owner currently suspended or disbarred from contracting with the federal government? Okay. Are you presently subject to indictment, criminal information, arraignment, or any other means by which formal criminal charges are brought in jurisdiction? You answer those questions. Next, this is going to be if you're actually paying somebody to complete this information for you. Okay, there are people who are willing to do these applications for you, and they charge a fee. You'll put in their name in this field. If nobody's helping you, then you don't fill that out. You just leave it blank. You definitely want to check here. This is important. I would like to be considered for an advance of up to $10,000. You definitely want that. And then lastly, you're going to put in the information where they should send your funds, okay? So then you just put your account number as first in this situation. This is not real number, guys. Okay? Next, you're going to put in your routing number. Okay? Make sure that information is correct. Double check it. You'll read the information that they have here. Certify that everything is true and correct. And then you go to next. All right? Once you've done that, it'll give you a option to review all the information that you have put in. You want to make sure you go and you review it well, because remember, this is money. If anything is incorrect, it could hurt your chances of getting the grant or the loan. So make sure all that information is correct. You'll click that I am not a robot, and then you'll submit it. And that is all that you need to do for the economic impact, economic injury disaster loan. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this and that it was valuable to you. Please share it with somebody that you know who could benefit from this information. Again, there are a variety of resources available for small business owners, so be sure to take a look at the SBA.gov website to see which ones apply to you. If you guys need assistance with tax preparation, you can schedule a consultation for virtual tax preparations through our company, No Limit Tax Refunds Tucker. We would love to help you out. If you are interested in getting started in the tax industry, please reach out and schedule a consultation and we can talk to you about that as well. Again, thank you for watching this video. Please like and share, and we will see you next time.